twaraenda pofe.
Kuna video.
Jambo clear.
Right now we are in a new kit where we have repaired a ball which has stayed for some time now, and I'm sure this ball has affected a lot of lives because they have just depended on shallow hand dug boreholes. So here I am with our father, as you can see him is disabled, and at the same time is the chairman of this community where we are right now, where we have repaired this borehole. So his name is
Francis Sinkara.
His name is Francis Sinkara. So yeah, akiaikala maezi yangu
ibo na ikwata na 4 years pobolo kubombe ibo.
It has stayed 4 years from the time it broke down, so up to today. And what challenges you more
twakweta machallenges aya Amenshi twalechula sana okutapa Amenshi twalaya mukutapa limbi kumulika musundu limbi abakwete kwefishima filafine tulamukusenda limbi filafine batulesha mu fishima fyavo twalechula sana kumulandu wa kutapa Amenshi. So ilina mono kuti ati asa mukutuwamisha Amenshi natotera sana kabiri ndo bwafi wao kwati wachepana kwa kumulandu wa kuchula kuntwalechula ndipanshi ndetota mulingira munde twalire fine kusa mukutuwamisha kama boho. Nine Francis Sinkara ukuchupa kwa Amenshi. So kanshinga mwati muloleshe kwagati bali mukutapa Amenshi nangu bana bandi bali mukutapa Amenshi kubalesha mu mantu mufishima fitwa Amenshi bo nimbi kuku fishima kuntu kuti kubo imwe yali uko eko bali mukutapa Amenshi bila pende nimbi basangala besala. So bali fiko kwa kuti wangachita icho cha kuti atichale mpero bulanda sana ngane fino nsonga no.
No matter how much it is shaking, base. Oh, yeah, it break up. Going to panic. So we are in Maposa where we are repairing a borehole. Unfortunately, we have a lot of work to do. We found this one, a broken one, so we have to replace it with a new one. Yeah, I don't know how long it will take us, but that's what we do. Yeah, and also we have to break this base. It's not good for the community. Yeah, it's likely to get loose, so it's risky. So we have to replace this one as well and make a different base.
kwesala kwa hiyo chiriwe cha bomba samwe sakero dine bacheba ya masaba ke
Alright, as the Amenshi4life team in Zambia, we have repaired our second borehole here in Maposa, Kitwe. And this borehole was among the one they drilled years back for, I think 10 years ago. Yes. And it was among the first ones they did in Zambia. So it is our pleasure and we are so excited to do our service here. And this is our first time servicing this bore and they have kept it very well. So we are so excited and we are saying thank you to the North Bridge Church for the support and all partners of North Bridge.
28 twatotera sana kwena pakuti vese vatuwamishe kwechi chintu ichi itenyuku vanekavilisenyuku vantu twalechula kumenshi nombefi awelesa amipale kwena bonse kavili pale na batata bene bashi lwamba pakutuma abantu bakwalesa ukwisa bombo y'umulimo tuleta sha sana.